update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a gap up today and thereafter continued to trade within a sideways range throughout the day. It ultimately ended the day on a positive note of 76 points, and the market was also positive today with 907 advances to 571 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, we had M&M, Hindustan Unilever, Dr. Reddy, HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank in the negative today, while ITC, Tata Motors, Infosys, HDFC Limited, Reliance, NTPC all closed the day on a positive note. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has given a daily positive close after 3 daily negative, consecutive daily negative closes. It is very much possible that it is just forming wave 4 of this fall which we have been seeing from the highs of 9119. As an alternate, it is very much possible that the fall has completed in today's trading session with a daily positive close today. On the RD charts, you can also observe that this fall has been a 535 kind of as per the yield wave principle, it is a 535 pattern. So, and this rise as of now is not complete, or since it has completed since it has given a daily positive close, the fall is complete. So this wave is complete, and this wave can be counted as a 5-wave decline on the RV charts. So it is very much possible that the fall ABC has completed, or it is just and this today's positive close is just wave 4 of a 5-wave decline on the downside. But more clarity will emerge only in the coming trading sessions. Now on the RV charts, you can observe that the Nifty has faced resistance at the 40-hour moving average. In the last update, we pointed out that since the early momentum indicator was having a positive crossover, it is very much possible that the Nifty might give a bounce, and in today's trading session it has bounced, and now the crucial resistance of the 40-hour moving average has held today. If in the coming trading session we see the selling pressure emerge once again from that crucial resistance, then we can conclude that the fall is not still yet complete, and now the fall might just continue in the coming trading sessions. As of now, the 40-hour average is acting as a resistance, so we continue to maintain our negative stance on Nifty for a target of 8600 on the downside. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty consolidated in a sideways manner around that 20 and 40 daily moving averages and ultimately closed the day on a positive note. Today we saw some of the banking stocks like ICICI Bank and likes of Axis Bank closing in the positive today. So that is the reason why we are seeing that reflect on the chart of Bank Nifty. However, it has still not overlapped the wave 1 low, so both the counts are still open. The fall could have just been completed today, or the Bank Nifty is consolidating in wave 4. All the both the bullish and the bearish counts both are open at this point of time. Only in coming trading sessions we shall be able to conclude whether the fall has halted over here, or the Bank Nifty has still more downside left. So until we get further clarity on the wave count and the direction, we continue to maintain our negative stance on Bank Nifty as well. Crucial supports for Bank Nifty are placed at 19,000 and 18,500 on the upside. 19,255 and 19,400 shall act as crucial resistances. So overall, friends, the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty still remain negative. On the Nifty, crucial supports are placed at 8716 and 8677. On the upside, 8819 and 8849 are crucial resistances. So that's all for today. Thank you.